So initially, based on the information in the figure, if the perimeter of ABC, that means for the total triangle, for the ABC, that is 22. Okay, we will mark that one. AB is 8 centimeters. This total length is 8 centimeters. So we will mark that one as well. So if this total length is 8 centimeters, look at this. P is the exact midpoint of this AB. So this would be 4 centimeter. This one also would be exactly 4 centimeters. So you should have the ability to mark this one, because since P is the midpoint, you can split the total 8 into 2 equal portions and allocate for BP and PA respectively. And next one, BC is 10 centimeters. This length is 10 centimeter. Here also same thing. Since Q is the midpoint, how how can we determine this as the midpoint? Look at this. The total length is bisected. Using the hyphens, we can understand. This length would be 5 and this one also exactly 5. Perimeter of PBQ. The question is to find perimeter of this small triangle. We know length of two sides. How can we find the third side's length? That's why we are having the data here. ABC. Perimeter of this total triangle ABC is 22. Already this is 8. This is 10. That means remaining length 8 plus 22 minus 18. It is 4 centimeters. That is the length of third side. AC should be equals to 4 centimeters. Now look at this. Here also application of midpoint theorem. So when you are drawing a straight line segment which is connecting midpoints of two sides in a triangle, that should be half of the third side's length. Since third side is 4 centimeter, it would be 2 centimeter. Now we can find the perimeter of this triangle PBQ. 4 plus 5 plus 2. 4 plus 5, 12 plus, 4 plus 5, it's 9 plus 2, it would be 11 centimeters. 11 centimeters, that is the perimeter. And for the next question, if angle B is 40, this is 65, find the remaining angles in the quadrilateral PQCA. In the quadrilateral PQCA, we have to find the remaining length. Okay, we will find that one. I will use the triangle ABC first. In the triangle ABC, we know that interior angle sum in a triangle equals to 180. So we are already having 65 here, 40 here. That means 180 minus 105. So this angle would be 75. I will mark that one. Angle PAC. PAC, that is 75. And if this is 65, look at this. We know, according to midpoint theorem, these sides are parallel and half of the length. Parallel also applicable, no? Since these are parallel, we can analyze. If this angle is 65, this one also exactly 65, because these are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So 65. In the straight line, we know sum of adjacent angles in a straight line, that is 180. 180 minus 65, it would be the angle at here, PQC. It would be 180 minus 65, it is 115. 115. And third one, to find this angle. To find this angle also, we can use the parallel angle theorems. Okay, here we are having another pair of corresponding angles. It is 75. So this angle would be 75. In straight line, adjacent angle sum is 180. So 180 minus. In here, I am going to apply 180. 180 minus the pre-existing 75. Angle QPA or APQ. QPA. It would be 105 degrees in magnitude. 105 degrees in magnitude. That's all.